learners, how are you today? Oh, look at our calendar. What do you notice about this calendar? That is right. It is the last day of March. Look at this number. The last number is up there. That means tomorrow when you come to school, it will be a new month. It will be April. And we'll start all over again counting. It'll be the 1st of April, which is something spectacular. The 1st of April is called April Fool's Day. So you try to play tricks on somebody. You try to play a joke on somebody. See if there is a time that you could play a joke on somebody and say, April Fools. All right. So let's find out what day this is. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was a Tuesday, and then tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow is our last day of the week. Remember, we get Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off for Easter this week. So let's count from 14 all the way to this number. 14, in your little bunny voice. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 days already in March. And it is our last day. Oh, I put our pattern up here already. I'm sorry. It's an AABB. So we had AA, BB, AA, and it would be a B. And we ended on our B. We ended on the bird. So today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. So taking a look at our weather graph, it is the last day. What is the weather like at your house? But here's what our graph looked like for March. Looking at the graph, could you tell, did we have more sunny days or more cloudy days? You're right, we had more sunny days. It was a beautiful March, wasn't it? It was kind of windy on some days, and I forgot to add this one from earlier. So it was kind of windy on a lot of days, wasn't it? I can tell that at least 5 days we had wind. We had rain on a couple days. We even had F-O-G-G-Y. What word was that? Foggy. We even had foggy on 2 days. But overall, we had a very sunny month. There were 8 sunny days at least in March. So we'll start this all over again, and we'll keep track again of our all of our days, okay? I'm going to show you 5 letters. I want you to say the letter and say the sound, okay? N. All right. Let's see what this one is. S. S. I. I. And Q. Qu. One more. L. L. Remember this lowercase l? Look at that straight line down. It reminds me of a number 1, but that would be a number. This is a letter. So when you see this straight line, this thing that looks like number 1, it's not number 1 as a letter, is it? We call that the letter L. What has the same beginning sound as jar, jelly, or llama? Same beginning sound as jar, jelly, or llama. Jar and jelly have the same beginning sound. Thumbs up, guys. Great job. 2 more. What has the same beginning sound as volcano? Is it a vacuum or zebra? Volcano. What sound does that volcano? Good. It is vacuum, volcano. Did you see my mouth and how it did that same sound? Let's look again. Vacuum, volcano. They have the same beginning sound. And the last one today is what has the same beginning sound as yellow? Is it nose or Yoda? It is yellow and Yoda have the same beginning sound. They begin with the Y sound, the yellow, Yoda. We're going to learn about a new number, and then we're going to write that number, but let's review our numbers, and then we'll write our new number together. 1, 8, 2, 4, 10, 7, 6, 9, 5, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14. What number do you guys think is going to be next? What comes after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? So this is the number 15, a 1 and a 5. Look at that, 1 and 5. And this is our 15 on our, I love to look at this 10 frame because I can see a 5. I see another 5, and I see another 5. I can see 3 5s that make up 15. Look at that. That first frame is a 5, that second is a 5, and this one is a 5. It would make 15. I can also see my 15 right here. Look at this. I see a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see a group of 5. I see another group of 5, which makes 10. And I see another group of 5, which makes 15. Think of tally marks. Look at that same thing. That group of 5, 10, and now 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is a lot. If I make a group of 15, I can make a group of 15 myself. I can use one hand for 5. I can use another hand for 10. How would I get my third group of 5? I can use my toes. I have 5 toes also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I had 15 right here. I didn't have enough hands, so I used my toes, and I can call these my toe hands, my toe fingers. So I had 15 fingers today. All right, I want you to find a way to make 15. All right, so your way to make 15, you can have 15 objects. You can trace your hand 3 times. 1, because you have 5 fingers. 2, that would be 10, and another one would be 15, right? See if you can make a group of 15. All right, that's your ticket today to go to play. All right, so before you go and finish this, let's look at this sentence. So we're going to try to find a word that they're asking for in our sentence. Remember, when we look at words, we can hear each word and we can follow along with each word. This one says, stop the car. All right, stop the car. Then we want to find the word car in the sentence. And I can go back and I can listen to it again.
Stop the car.
Stop the car. And I knew that there were 3 words. Stop the car. And I can click on that word that I'm looking for, car, and see if I can get it. Okay. Listen to the sentence and then find the word fox in the sentence. So listen to the sentence. It says, the fox ran. What word are we looking for? Fox. What was the sentence again? The fox ran. And I can find that word fox. I might not know how to spell it, but I can hear it, right? And I can click, yes, I got it. Okay, we're going to do 2 more. We're going to look for the word duck in a sentence. Ducks can fly. Say my sentence again. How many words are in there? Ducks can fly. There are 3 words in my sentence. 1, 2, 3. What word am I looking for? Ducks. Where was that word? It was the first word in our sentence. Good. We'll do one more, last one. then find the word. So some of us, maybe we know what this word is. Maybe we know what this says. What do you think it says? I like, there's that word like, L-I-K-E, cake. We're trying to find the word cake in this sentence. Where is the word cake? What would it begin with? K. Could also look for that. I could look for that beginning sound. Ooh, I know this one begins with the C. K, k, a, k. Click it and submit. Put it on pause. Make the number 15 and then make a group of 3 5s or 15 objects, counting all the way there before you work today. I'll see y'all later. Bye.